Okay guys, this is the puppies. They're a week and a half old. And I can only film them when they're asleep, because when they're not asleep they're usually whining. This is the biggest one, and it's a boy. This is a girl. This is a girl. And these two are boys. You go over there. This one right here is the runt. And he's tiny compared to the rest of them. There's his little tail. And there's his head. And that's his body compared to the rest of them. Oh, he's awake. Isn't he gorgeous? Isn't he just cute, cute, cute? Now they're waking up. But that's, I just wanted to give y'all a little peek.